The United States is advancing technology to unprecedented levels, garnering global acclaim with the launch of its most sophisticated fighter jet to date. This aircraft is not just any military plane. It boasts unmatched capabilities, surpassing all competitors and remaining elusive for other nations. With its stealth features and unrivaled combat prowess, this jet is revolutionizing military tactics, symbolizing ultimate power and technological dominance. What sets this fighter jet apart? Does this military innovation truly surpass all previous benchmarks as we delve into the latest American anti-gravity aircraft, rumored to be undetectable by any existing radar? This revolutionary development, unveiled by the US military, is causing a stir in both military and research communities. The design of the aircraft mirrors the UFOs depicted in sci-fi films, equipped with hypersonic speeds, vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, laser weaponry, and refined stealth features. This plane is pushing the boundaries of aviation and defense. The disclosure of such technology has sparked intense debates, with theories and speculation reaching new heights. In a surprising development, the US military has established a space force, intensifying discussions about the future of military technology. The Department of Defense has even released footage of unidentified flying objects, and a congressional representative has confirmed encounters with extraterrestrial technology. This revelation makes it increasingly difficult to maintain secrecy, indicating that these technological advancements can no longer be concealed. However, the UFOs previously rumored aren't of alien origin as speculated. Instead, they are test flights of a new aircraft that incorporates the most advanced features of modern fighter jets. This aircraft features a unique triangular design, an ultra-fast engine inspired by Dark Star, and stealth capabilities similar to the B-21 Raider. The entire project is being developed in Area 51, where engineers are not only enhancing the capabilities of existing fighter jets, but also amalgamating the most advanced technologies into a singular, formidable aircraft. Into the unique strengths of this aircraft, beginning with its AI system from the NGAD program. This sixth-generation stealth fighter of the US Air Force promises to revolutionize aspects such as sensing, computing, weapon integration, networking, and direct control of unmanned aircraft from the cockpit. General David Alvin, Chief of Staff of the US Air Force, has highlighted the concept of collaborative combat aircraft, a fleet of unmanned drones working in concert with next-generation fighter jets to create a more complex and powerful combat force than ever before. What are your thoughts on these advancements? Could this technology transform the future of modern warfare? Leave your comments below as we look toward the future of space warfare. A critical question emerges. How can humans and machines collaborate to form a formidable force ready to tackle unprecedented challenges? Speaking at the Reagan National Defense Forum in Washington, D.C., Alvin stressed the importance of integrating human decision-making with AI's rapid data processing in military operations. This technology not only enables swift data analysis and dissemination, but also unlocks the potential for highly adaptive combat strategies. AI will assist in identifying and engaging enemy targets by processing vast amounts of real-time data. For instance, when a threat emerges, AI can instantly analyze data and alert the pilot whether the enemy is a Chinese J-20 fighter, a Russian Su-35, or an unmanned drone. This rapid identification and response capability will be a game-changer in future aerial warfare. Now imagine the potential of an anti-gravity aircraft equipped with such advanced AI. Experts predict that this aircraft will incorporate AI features akin to America's sixth-generation fighter jets, giving it a significant advantage over other advanced aircraft. Within the next 5 years, an unmanned version of this fighter jet is expected to be deployed, ushering in a new era of space combat. Designed for seamless coordination with other aircraft, this system will have an operational range of up to 1,500 nautical miles at altitudes up to 50,000 feet, enabling strategic strike missions over vast distances without risking human lives. In previous test flights, this aircraft has flown continuously for over 10 hours while consuming only 925 gallons of fuel, demonstrating its efficiency in prolonged combat scenarios. One of the most remarkable features of the unmanned version is its precision strike capability, boasting an accuracy rate of up to 99.7% using an advanced sensor system combined with AI. The aircraft can assess battlefield conditions and autonomously determine targets and attack strategies without human intervention. Combat trials have shown that this system can neutralize moving targets with pinpoint accuracy within less than 3 feet, surpassing many of today's most advanced weapon systems. The investment for developing and deploying this technology by 2038 is projected to reach $8 billion, according to reports from the Pentagon. Approximately $12 billion will be allocated specifically for the research and technology testing phase, including the development of ultra-high-frequency radar systems and stealth technology. The combination of these technologies will enable the UKB fighter jet to evade advanced missile defense systems, such as Russia's S-400 or Israel's Iron Dome. Each of these aircraft will have a production cost of approximately $150 million, with the capability to operate continuously for 10,000 flight hours before requiring maintenance. We are about to witness a major shift in how fighter jets carry out missions, not just in terms of speed, but also in accuracy and survivability in extreme combat environments. Next, let's explore the stealth capabilities of the B-21 Raider and this anti-gravity aircraft. The Raider possesses superior stealth, allowing it to strike targets that were previously considered untouchable. This aircraft also has the ability to fly at high altitudes and long distances, gather critical intelligence, and conduct deep reconnaissance missions in enemy territory. The anti-gravity aircraft is expected to feature similar stealth capabilities, making it a true phantom in the sky. Initially, it was believed to be a real UFO, but in reality, it was a prototype for the aircraft we are discussing. With a triangular shape approximately 190 meters in length and 100 meters in width, the TR-3B was designed to fly completely silently, thanks to advanced aerodynamics. With its ability to maneuver and perform vertical takeoff and landing, the TR-3B is a testament to the remarkable advancements in this technology. Inside the aircraft, a high-frequency electromagnetic generator interacts with Earth's magnetic field, allowing it to reach speeds of up to 3,000 miles per hour under normal operation and a maximum of 7,000 miles per hour in high voltage mode. This mode consumes energy rapidly and cannot be sustained for long periods. A technology once seen only in science fiction movies has now become a reality. And if you still have doubts, remember that the TR-3B is undeniable proof. So, how does this anti-gravity aircraft compare to the TR-3B? It retains the triangular shape but is smaller, resembling a fighter jet. This design not only enables silent flight but also provides superior aerodynamic advantages. Notably, the engine system of this aircraft is positioned similarly to the F-35, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing, enabling it to land anywhere from vast fields to rooftops or traditional runways. With these advanced technologies, engineers faced a significant challenge in designing an aircraft that is both lightweight and incredibly durable, while also possessing superior stealth capabilities. The ultimate solution came from biostealth technology previously seen only in legendary aircraft like the B-21 Raider. Another question arises: are we on the brink of an aviation technology revolution? The developers of the B-21 Raider have utilized existing stealth technology to create a revolutionary absorption coating, achieving optimal stealth performance. They also equipped the new aircraft with a radar beam dispersion system developed in the secret laboratories of Area 51. This system is a marvel of modern technology. Even if the aircraft is detected by radar, the system will create massive signal interference, preventing enemies from pinpointing its exact location. The combination of these groundbreaking stealth technologies makes the aircraft a ghost in the sky, an invisible predator capable of striking with precision and disappearing without a trace. So, does this leave you in awe? If you think this is mysterious enough, the engineers have gone even further, making this aircraft invisible not just to radar but also to the naked eye. To achieve this effect, they designed special coatings for the aircraft capable of displaying any image directly on its surface, allowing it to blend seamlessly into the sky, clouds, or even buildings. This technology is set to be deployed between 2027 and 2030, with a total investment cost of approximately $4.2 billion. By 2032, the fighter jet is expected to conduct precise strikes without being detected by enemy radar within a 200-kilometer range. But that's not all. These sixth-generation aircraft will also have the capability to disrupt electronic signals over a range of up to 1,000 meters, minimizing the enemy's ability to utilize cyber warfare technologies. This might make you wonder, would we even realize if such an aircraft were flying right above us? For this intriguing detail, leave your thoughts in the comments below. But now, Let's talk about the most exciting aspect of any fighter jet: the weapons. The anti-gravity aircraft from Area 51 is equipped with an incredibly impressive weapon system, showcasing its superior technological capabilities. Testing for this laser weapon system began in 2014 at a secret Lockheed Martin facility. Leading laser technology engineers from around the world gathered to combine the most advanced knowledge, ultimately developing the immensely powerful LW-2 laser weapon system. This advanced laser system operates in multiple modes and features a unique lens structure that triples its effective range compared to previous versions. Have you ever wondered why we have so few high-quality images of UFOs? Perhaps part of the reason is due to the operation of these lasers. And trust me, you'd be lucky if the laser isn't aimed at you. But it gets even more impressive in its second mode. The laser power can reach up to 450 kilowatts, strong enough to melt metal in seconds from a distance of up to 30 kilometers. This impressive range and power make the LW-2 one of the most powerful laser systems ever developed for military purposes. All this power is supplied by a high-frequency generator, ensuring that the laser system always has sufficient energy. With such powerful laser capabilities, this aircraft can intercept missiles, ammunition, and drones, destroying them within just 1 to 2 seconds. It can also shoot down enemy aircraft and helicopters, reducing them to wreckage in just 4 to 5 seconds. Notably, rumors suggest that this super aircraft also carries the Hyperstrike hypersonic missile, capable of reaching Mach 12, nearly 10 times the speed of sound. This missile is equipped with a GPS-guided system combined with Doppler radar, allowing it to penetrate all modern air defense systems, including Russia's S-400 and the US Patriot defense systems. This advanced weapon ensures that the anti-gravity aircraft is a dominant force in the skies, ready to strike with unparalleled precision and speed. This latest fighter jet can fly at speeds of up to 7,000 miles per hour, maintain perfect stealth, and operate powerful laser weapons. But to achieve all this, a special solution is required to ease the burden on the pilot. A human alone cannot withstand the immense G-forces and high temperatures while flying at such speeds. That's why artificial intelligence is the perfect pilot. This AI has already been tested on the Tempest fighter jet, handling everything from maneuvering, navigation, and targeting to sharing intelligence data with other aircraft. In the event of an issue, the AI sends information to the command center, allowing a human operator to take over and intervene. The combination of human intuition and the computer's ultra-fast calculations enables combat missions to be executed smoothly and without complications. Even more remarkably, this AI also manages unmanned drones operating alongside the fighter jet. In this structure, the fighter jet acts more like a command center rather than an independent combat unit. UAVs are divided into two main types. First, combat drones that can fly at an altitude of 18,000 meters for 8 hours and carry hypersonic anti-tank missiles traveling at speeds over 2,400 miles per hour. Second, reconnaissance drones equipped with cameras and sensors to gather intelligence within a 120-kilometer radius. This data is then transmitted back to the fighter jet, which in turn directs the attack drones. This combination is incredibly powerful, as the fighter jet does not need to engage in direct combat. The drones handle everything. This will completely change the nature of aerial warfare. And just imagine, a new US drone equipped with a similar laser weapon could soon join this fleet, making the American military even more formidable. Recently, the US House of Representatives proposed establishing an independent UAV corps to professionalize and focus on the unmanned sector. This initiative is part of the National Defense Authorization Act for the fiscal year 2025, aiming to enhance training and development of small UAVs, as well as counter-UAV systems. If approved, the UAV Corps will become the U.S. Army's 22nd branch, alongside forces such as mechanized infantry, tanks, and artillery. Currently, the U.S. Army owns approximately 10,441 UAVs, including models like the RQ-11 Raven, RQ-2 Puma, and MQ-1C Gray Eagle. As you might have guessed, at present, no adversary can match this mysterious fighter jet. Its power stems from the extensive experience of engineers working at America's most secretive military base. Every component of this aircraft is superior, almost like something out of science fiction. Engineers have created a tool that could revolutionize aerial warfare, not just on Earth, but possibly beyond our current understanding. Are there other technologies yet to be revealed? The future holds unimaginable possibilities. This fighter jet features a variable cycle engine, top-tier stealth technology, a unique airframe, artificial intelligence, and supporting drones, all together forming the ultimate undetectable combat aircraft. And this is just the beginning. Are you ready to witness these technological advancements in the near future? Imagine aerial warfare, where everything from tactics to weapons is controlled by artificial intelligence. Comment number 1 below if you're truly ready for such a future. You're probably wondering, can the US redefine the boundaries of warfare? Could a new aircraft completely change the way aerial attacks and defense are conducted? We're talking about the B-21 Raider, an advanced bomber developed with cutting-edge stealth capabilities and superior technology that the US has kept under wraps for a long time. The B-21 Raider is the latest generation bomber developed for the US Air Force as part of an ambitious long-range strategic strike program. So, what makes the B-21 Raider special? Its primary goal is to replace the aging fleet of bombers with a new generation of strategic aircraft capable of flying long distances, maintaining extended airborne operations, and most importantly, remaining completely invisible to enemy radar thanks to its superior stealth capabilities. Behind the B-21 Raider lies a dramatic competition. Its development program began in 2011 with an intense contest between aerospace giants Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and Northrop Grumman. After 4 years of intense competition, Northrop Grumman emerged victorious and secured the contract to develop this aircraft, thanks to its extensive experience in designing deadly stealth bombers like the B-2 Spirit. Why was Northrop Grumman chosen? Their proposal impressed the U.S. Air Force with a cost-effective approach that still met all stringent technological and operational requirements. However, cost is always a critical factor in any military project. The B-21 Raider program faced the enormous challenge of expenses, especially when compared to the B-2 Spirit, a bomber infamous for its exorbitant cost, nearly equivalent to the GDP of some nations. That's why making the B-21 both powerful and cost-efficient was a top priority. So how did Northrop Grumman manage to achieve this? They collaborated with approximately 400 suppliers across 40 U.S. states. With these companies working tirelessly over the past 7 years, even during the COVID-19 pandemic, now you may wonder which companies were involved in this project. The leading suppliers for the B-21 project include engine manufacturer Pratt & Whitney and Europe's largest defense contractor, BAE Systems. Additionally, major players such as aerospace structure manufacturer Spirit Aerosystems, along with Rockwell Collins, GKN Aerospace, and Geneke Industries, contributed to the project under Northrop Grumman's leadership. These companies developed the B-21, a next-generation bomber with a price tag of approximately $630 million per unit. But is that number truly impressive? While the B-21 development costs are significant, it is considered far cheaper than the B-2 Spirit, with a price reduction of 68%, while offering significantly more advanced capabilities. This marks a groundbreaking advancement in bomber technology, with superior stealth and weaponry, making it an indispensable strategic asset for the future. The U.S. Air Force plans to acquire at least 100 B-21 Raiders, with the potential to increase the fleet to 145 if the bomber successfully passes all testing phases without issues. Once commissioned, the B-21 will operate alongside other strategic bombers, including the B-52 Stratofortress, B-1 Lancer, and B-2 Spirit. However, over time, it will replace all 3 of these bombers, marking the end of an era or perhaps the beginning of a new one. The U.S. will possess a bomber capable of projecting military power globally, with extensive operational range and the firepower of modern nuclear weapons. The B-21 Raider was officially unveiled on December 2, 2022 at Northrop Grumman's facility in Palmdale, California. This next-generation stealth bomber is designed to replace the B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit. In November 2023, the U.S. Air Force's future strategic bomber, the B-21, successfully completed its first test flight. Northrop Grumman announced that 6 B-21 Raiders have been built so far, with the U.S. Air Force expected to order approximately 100 of these advanced stealth bombers. Each B-21 is priced at $692 million, making it one of the most expensive aircraft in the world. Did you know that the number may not stop at just 100 B-2s? the U.S. Air Force has moved into large-scale production after years of development, testing, and planning. The decision was approved by Undersecretary William Lant in early 2024, following successful ground and flight tests. The U.S. has declared that the stealth assassin B-21 will bring significant advancements over Washington's current fleet of bombers, emphasizing that even the most advanced air defense systems will struggle to detect the B-21 in the sky. The B-21 is built with an open architecture, allowing it to integrate new weapons that haven't even been invented yet. To surpass its predecessors, the B-21 will be equipped with cutting-edge avionics, including a multi-function radar, a digital navigation system combining radar and GPS, and a celestial navigation system. It will also feature a radar capable of scanning in multiple directions, advanced jamming systems to disrupt enemy communications, and an array of cameras and sensors for target identification. All these innovations make the B-21 not just an extremely powerful stealth aircraft, but also a superior warfighting tool ready to dominate the skies. Can you imagine how it will reshape modern warfare? The impact of the B-21 will mark a turning point in military aviation. The B-21's communication systems are another highlight. This strategic bomber can interface with other aircraft and ground forces through specialized links, while also featuring a danger warning system for the crew, allowing it to change course to evade threats. Returning to the U.S. military's top-secret warplane by the end of 2024, the U.S. had already planned international cooperation on this project, involving strategic partners such as Japan, the U.K., and Australia. According to the U.S. Department of Defense, collaborating with these nations will help share development and production costs, while ensuring interoperability among allied air forces. Japan is expected to order around 12 units in the initial phase, with an investment of up to $4 billion. The first prototypes are slated for testing in 2026, with mass production beginning in 2030. The goal is to produce at least 100 units within the first 20 years, with total project costs potentially reaching $12 billion. Ultimately, America's new advanced bomber is not just a testament to innovation in military technology, but also a powerful step forward in enhancing national defense capabilities. With superior combat capabilities, flexible design, and cutting-edge warfare features, it will undoubtedly play a key role in future security operations. When the Concorde first took flight in 1969, it became a symbol of groundbreaking progress in aviation, offering the ability to cross the ocean in just a few hours as a transatlantic jet. However, the dream of supersonic transportation soon turned into a real nightmare for humanity, not only because of its exorbitant operating costs, but also due to the deafening sonic booms that made it impossible to fly over densely populated areas. After 3 decades of dominating the skies, the Concorde was permanently grounded. Today, NASA and Lockheed Martin are working to revive supersonic flights, but this time, they promise to make them nearly silent. What is their X-59 QuiSST project doing to turn this dream into reality?